Wow, that whole upper tier has collapsed. Look at that. I think I want to go back up there a little bit later. Huh, we should probably start the video. This has been one of the most requested hikes I've had this year. Yep, we are on the Hobo Highway and trying to stay out of that nasty. Oh, let's get above that. Okay, get back in here. Weather conditions right now, 71 degrees, high of 81 or 82. And after about 1 or 2 o'clock, there's going to be a front kind of moving in, and we're going to get a little wind from that. Not a big deal. Oh crap, I forgot to do the intro. Howdy ho, friends. Welcome to another episode of Trekking Tuesday. Goals today: shoot one little bitty video clip for the... Gotta be real careful so we don't get caught by a train. Shoot a video clip for the Midwest Bushcraft Show. By the time you see this video, I'll probably have already uploaded the other clip. So yeah, my videos are... What? Oh, did I mention the snakes are coming out? Boy, I'm getting sidetracked. Anyway, I've got so many videos I'm holding right now, friends. I'm not sure of the order they're going to be released. Let's put this camera away and get somewhere a little bit more safe. Wow, that whole upper tier has collapsed too. Look where it was there, and it's kind of slid down. Let me clarify what I mean where I wanted to get somewhere safe. Before, I was from there to about there to a ditch, and if a train came, I had no way to get out of its way. So we're up here on the ledge now where I'm safe and don't have to worry about getting stuck with a train next to me. We've made it to my first stop, and we need to get up there. I think, now it's been a while, I think we could just still crawl up to this way, but I don't know. Everything has changed since the last time I've been here. Whew, kind of winded. Yeah, this will work. Okay. There is so much debris in this area. The path I used to take, it's gone. We need to get up there. My God, that was freaking sketchy, friends. Holy crap. I don't know if you can see how the elevation is, but it's not good. We made it though. This is the cliffs here. It's a really cool little shelter area. I've done many overnights up here. In fact, this is where I ran into the unknown hiker back in the day. And the kids come up here too. There's somebody's barbecue grate. Oh, this is cool. Little chunk of wood. I'm sure that's what they're using for a fire pit. See all those little holes? They're not drippings of water. There's actually little spiders underneath there. Little sand spiders. Oh, shoot. I'm winded. I haven't had a workout like that in a while. Okay. So, there's the Missouri River. There's the railroad. Let's come around here. And we found trash. Already. Okay. Back in the day, from here to here, there used to be a hangout, or a rock hangout up there. Let me slow down a bit. Yeah, it's laying right here. It fell. What do we got here? Somebody's coat. Whoa, whoa. Somebody done lost their jacket. Is that a jacket, or is that a sleeping bag? I don't know. Let's give it a kick. Yeah, it's a jacket. GB tray. That rock wasn't there before. Interesting. Yeah, back in the day, I set up my hammock on the cliff right up here. You hear that beeping noise? That means there's a train coming about 2 miles out. Oh, here's another blanket and a mouse. If I was spunky, I'd carry this out of here, but turn it down a bit. There we go. I'm not feeling that spunky, friends. All right, I'm gonna sit down and take a little break. Then we'll head to our next destination.
Alright, sounds good. Are you guys on the Granger yet there, 710?
Now, normally there would be a little trail right there and we could go down and check out the waterfall, but the trees are blocking it. There's the waterfall I'm talking about. Now we can go down and come out on top of it, but that's private property right there, and we really can't cross over into it. At the moment, we're still on public use land. So what I think I'm gonna do is come down this way very carefully, and hopefully we'll end up somewhere right down there in that area. Key word is hopefully. These leaves are slick. That is one hell of a drop off. Hey, we made it. Fun fact, the unknown hiker used to harvest this water from there. I told him not to do it because I didn't trust this thing. But from what we understand, it is spring fed. I don't know. There's already baby mosquitoes coming out. Look at them little suckers. This used to be covered by trees. Here's that fence I was talking about. We kind of need to steer clear of that property area. Let's get closer in. I wish the light was a little better. Oh well. Shit. Getting out of here is not going to be a fun task. I'll figure something out. I seriously need to consider my age when I do something stupid. That could have been bad. But we're on the other side. And we found a Harris bag. Now we just need to go down. I think we'll go that way. Well, crap. This train just pulled up and locked down. In fact, they idled the locomotives down. It's gonna be here a minute. Problem, right where the engine is where I need to cut in to go to my second location. I guess, I don't know. It's been a long time since I've done this, and a lot has changed since the last time I've been out here. We might be able to go up and over to get in that way. I don't know. Let's go up there and find out. There is the engine. The spot I need to get to is about a quarter mile down. One problem, this ledge is getting thinner and thinner. I need to get up to the top tier because I know I can drop in from the top. I'm just not seeing a way without climbing gear. Whew. This would be a really good spot for an overnight though. It's level and they're not gonna see you. Shoot, what have I got myself into? We'll find out here in a little bit. This is so sketchy. So what we're doing is I need to go up and over and then to our location, which is over there. I got to be very careful. The locomotive's right there. At the moment, we still are on public use land, so we're safe at the moment. Man, this is just wet, slick, and I'm pretty sure I'm getting too old to be doing this crap. Oh well. I'm gonna keep doing it. We're close, so close. Okay, I think I can get up and over from here and then back down again. I'll see you on the top. Not gonna walk that way. I'm gonna walk this way so I have trees on either side of me in case I start to slip. And we're gonna come up over there He's on top of the waterfall. Whew. Okay, we're now, oopsie, getting our feet wet. On top of the waterfall right there. We need to be careful because right there is private property. But that is a perfect emergency escape path because I know exactly where it goes, just in case. Now we're gonna follow this little trail that the kids have made, or teenagers I want to say, to get to where we need to be. Almost. Yay, we made it. Oh my God. That was a tough one. This would be such a great place for an overnight. Unfortunately, the teenagers have found it. They took somebody's ladder for their deer stand and they made a swing out of it. But I gotta admit, they really keep this place clean. I don't see a lot of trash up here. There's their little fire pit. Somebody's Barbie.
Hello, we are doing
A sign they took, and I'm thinking those are cow jawbones, or possibly wool. That's leaking a little bit. And there's the train. Still, no worries. Okay, it is 100% break time for me right now. After the break, I need to figure out where I want to go next. Heck, I might just take a freaking nap. I don't know yet. This looks like a good spot. Oh, by the way, I'm sure everybody knows this, but having a fire in a cave or any kind of rock structures, not a good idea, because if you got moisture in them rocks, it can expand, crack. This could fall down. Oh, we could go over there and take a break. Yeah, I can do this. That is so freaking cool over there. I just wish the teenagers wouldn't have found it. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Hey, at least they're keeping it clean. I made it over here to the other side. And let me see if I can find them. But the little freaking mosquitoes are starting to wake up. That's not good. I got the video done, thank God. It took about an hour because I lined up a bunch of multiple shots and included the waterfall in them. What's going to happen now is I'm going to have a carb bar, hydrate a little bit, rest, and then we're going up that way, and we're going to go out there and check out the freaking view. It's awesome from up there. I don't know what it is about me today, but I've got to do everything the hard way. I came straight up that side and it is freaking slick. And we still got to go up that way, go along that ridge, and hike over to that peak. And this is so slick. Oh, we're sliding already. Yep. Totally freaking worth it. Look at that view. Jeez. This part of the Missouri is really, really low. Farmers fields. Oh, beautiful day. Whew. Now, for us to make our exodus. This is going to be fun. We got to get back down there. Hike back to the exit point without being seen. There's been a lot of train activity today. Oh, we got battle scars. Oopsie. Yeah, I got a cut there. And a cut right there. And then somewhere, yep, right there, I hit a prickly bush. Oh well. I'm currently trying to figure out the best way to get out of here. We could backtrack, go down and hit the railroad tracks. I used to be able to get out on this side, but I honestly don't remember if you can still do it. I'm thinking we should backtrack because I've already been that way once and I kind of know it. Yeah, that was as fun as it looks. We came in on that second tier down right there. We're going out this way. Normally, I would hop over to the other side where there's a road and it'd be smooth hiking. Not gonna happen. They've got a train tied up down here. So getting across would not be fun. This right here is the most dangerous part of the hike. I have nowhere to go if a train comes. I checked the light behind me, it's red, so there's nothing coming towards me. But there could be something coming up behind me, I don't know. We're not gonna stay here long. That's a good view of the cars though. Finally, we're back on safe territory. That is just so dangerous right there.